Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 3D area chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make 3D area chart in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Charts option. Now we can see here many charts. We select the area chart, then select the 3D area chart, then click OK. Now we can see here we insert a 3D area chart. You can change the chart style, colors or layout. Click the chart and go to the design menu. Then select the chart style drop down menu, then apply another style. Otherwise, you can change the color of this chart. Click the change color drop down menu, then choose another color. Change the layout of this chart. Click quick layout drop down menu, then change layout. You can edit the data of this chart. Click right button on our mouse and go to edit data. Then edit the data of this chart. You can change the legend. Click the legend box and rename this. You can change the date. Click the date box and rename this. Then close the window. Then rename the chart title. Select the title text and rename this. Now we can see here we make 3D area chart and edit very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.